Go to Admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Default Investigation Prices. These are the individual investigations, aka Individual 9, that are available in Investigations in Patient page. There is also option to add your own investigation. Added investigations will show under Others under Investigations in Patient page. Let's see how individual investigations look in the Patient page. Click Investigations. These are the individual investigations. Let's see an example, FBC. Note that selecting the radio button and clicking the word have different effects. In this example, click the radio button and not the word FBC. When you hover on the unit, the range and remark will show. Range can be customized in Default Investigation Prices. This default price is loaded as saved in Default Investigation Prices. The added investigations will show under Others. Here the added investigations will be listed. You can add up to 7 parameters, along with units and normal ranges. For each of the investigations, you can specify the normal ranges. Take note of the units when specifying the normal ranges. Here you can add your own investigation. Type in the name of the investigation to add. Type in the price, patient price, here. Optional, if required, enter the parameter name. For example, for spirometry, there are FVC, FEV and FEV1 as parameters. If the investigation does not have additional parameters, leave these parts empty. Optional, if required, enter the parameters' possible values. For example, if the possible results are 10, 20 and 30, enter these values, separated by comma. If the expected result is positive, negative or undetermined, do not enter here. Optional, if required, enter the parameters unit. Optional, if required, enter the parameters normal range. You can enter up to 7 parameters. Click Add/Edit to save. Once saved, this added investigation will be available under Others in Investigations in Patient page. To make any changes to this investigation, edit accordingly and click Add/Edit to save the changes. To remove this investigation, empty the name and click Add/Edit to remove. To continue adding more investigations, repeat the steps here and click Add/Edit to save. Let's see again how the newly added investigation looks like in the Patient page. Click Investigations. Click Others. The newly added investigation will be listed here. Select the investigation from the drop-down list, do not type in. If saved, the parameters will be loaded. If saved, the units will be displayed. And when mouse is hovered on the unit, the normal range will be displayed. If expected/possible values were saved, the values can be selected from the drop-down list. For investigations that can have positive, negative or undetermined as the result, do not use the parameters/value to record the results. Instead, click on Results to change the result. Click again to change. Click again to change. That's all, you're done.